Hello everyone, my name is Joel Olivares and I would like to introduce you my website. My website is called Fruity Fruity Salad and basically is a mix of fruits. Um, my business model is basically a manufacturer business model, and basically people can order fruit salad through my website and I will deliver. And that's the whole or the main idea of this kind of business. And this is my homepage where I have different kind of fruits like a grapes, pineapple, kiwi, etc. And basically it's creating, for example, here it's saying creating fruit salad for large events. Like we're giving the chance to people, meaning like they can choose what kind of fruits they want in their events. Here is my products. Like I think here's a picture of a fruit salad that I sold a couple months ago, and the different kind of fruits, syrup, and toppings. Here's a picture basically of how it would look. It would look like a fruit salad in a wedding reception. Um, Here's about us. Basically, it's on the story of my wife, how we met, and our story in Peru about how much we were enjoying fruit salad. Fruit salad is something that you can eat any time in the day. So it's a really good product. Um, Contact information. Information is just the my business phone number, my business email, my address. So basically, people can order, leave their message, and I will receive that order or message through my email, business email. Uh, I also have a price page where I'm selling medium fruit salad up to 30 portions for $80. Well, and also a large fruit salad for 50 uh, persons, 50 people, and it will be 110. Uh, we that delivery is it will be free, so we are including that into the payment. Everything is included, and so I've been tracking my my website through the Google AdWords. I've been checking my campaigns, my ads. Uh, for example, here my ad test text. Like I have seen that 90% of this kind of ad has been really effective, but in the other on the other ad, I've been getting just 9% or kind of 10%. So maybe here I've been tracking how like I've been tracking how to change this ad. So I've been doing some changes before, so I need to change this one in the future or on this week. By showing me how many clips, impressions. I can see I have had more impressions in this ad because, as I said, it's more effective. My keywords, trying to make sure that they are being affected as well. I have paused some keywords that haven't been helping a lot, and also Google Analytics is being really helpful. Um, how to track how many people are visiting my site, how many people are returning to my site, which countries are visiting my site, the times where people is visiting my website, like if they are looking my website through the mobile, like a desktop, tablet, and that's how I've been tracking. Also trying to basically it's just more about how many people are visiting in your website and how many conversions. How my conversion rate is doing. But other than that, um, that's what I have done through this semester. I know that I can improve many things, so I'm very open for websites. Sorry for feedback. So please just share your feedback, and I will really appreciate that. Who knows that in the future this kind of product can be really successful. But I know that your feedback can help a lot. So thanks a lot and good luck.